Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to backup and restore taskbar toolbars in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand H-key current user. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand Streams. Right-click Desktop. Click Export and save the registry values. Close and exit Registry Editor. Open registry file. Click Yes to continue. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.